Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with Evasive Motorsports, they did like a Christmas mystery box where you don't exactly know what you're getting. It listed like several items, like a jacket, a shirt. It's like it listed some things, but you don't know what. And it came in this FedEx box. So it came a while ago. I just have been really busy with life and holidays and everything else. So this was like my Christmas present to myself. Oh, and a hat. Even though I'm not like a big hat person, it's kind of cool though because Greddy Performance Products, G for Greddy or for Gardner, my last name. So that's kind of cool. Comes with a bunch of stickers, which is what I love, even though they are crumpled up. And let me open it up. Comes with a bunch of see all these stickers. So it came with a keychain, Evasive Performance, a lanyard, which I have so many of these. Evasive Performance, or actually Honda, H-O-N-D-A-D, so whatever that is. Then a Wen's Sports. Then you've got the GTR. At least it looks like a GTR. You got then some. I love these stickers, by the way. I can add these to my garage. Tons and tons of stickers to add to my garage. My ever-growing garage sticker collection. So that's all the stickers that it came with. I'm going to throw these in my garage in a minute. The license plate frame that I will never use, but hey, whatever. Just hanging on the wall in the garage. The Japan 2 Historics. Here you go. Nissan Skyline. Then you have a VTech Honda iPhone 6s case. I'm gonna have to like give this away at like a car show if anyone like wants a Honda, because I'm not gonna use it. Same with some of the other stuff. Enos, not for children under 10 years of age. I don't know what this is. It says, okay, so it's like a, that's kind of weird. Okay. I kind of like that. So it has like a lock and unlock. So if the battery dies, you can just, or the on off. So it's kind of cool. I should put this in my car or Jeep. That way you always have a light, which does come in handy, by the way. The next thing is a nice plain white shirt. I don't know if it's plain. No, it's definitely not a plain white shirt. So you have, what's the company as? Stars? A-Stars? Trying to sit it where I don't get too much dog hair on it. Next shirt. Anyone who got a Honda Civic? Like, seriously. Sorry, I'm just not a big Honda fan. To each their own, but now I have a lovely Honda Civic Type R. This will go in the send to the Philippines package, because that's not something you're going to catch me wearing. You're not going to catch me wearing a Honda shirt. You've got the lovely organic squash car scent. Then 2 more shirts in here. Please not be Honda. Yeah, there we go. This I can wear. It is Evasive Motorsport. Evasive Motorsport. And the final shirt. Oh, it's not a shirt. It's like a windbreaker. Which this matches my pants I was wearing the other day. And this is the Race Prep and Tuning, Los Angeles, California. So this is their Evasive windbreaker. So that is everything that this came with, is the mystery box. I think it was worth it. Do I think it was worth $100? No, definitely don't think it's worth $100. But I mean, it does come with like 4 shirts, so that could be like what, $10 a piece, plus the jacket. So I mean, the value's there, kind of. If you're a Honda fan, I'm definitely not a Honda person. If you live in my area and you want Honda Civic stuff, hit me up on my Instagram, and maybe at the next car meet, I'll meet up with you guys and give it to you. So if not, hope you like the video, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out what other videos I have.